How to download all your Snapchat memories at once. Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can download all your Snapchat memories at once. Stick around till the end so you don't miss anything important. Let's get started. First of all, go ahead and open the Snapchat app on your device and make sure you're logged in to your account. Once Snapchat is open, tap on your profile icon in the top left corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page. From here, tap on the settings icon, which looks like a gear, in the top right corner. Now scroll all the way down until you reach the App Privacy section. Inside this section, look for an option called My Privacy and Data. Tap on it. At the top of the next screen, you'll see an option called My Data. Go ahead and tap on that. Snapchat will now start loading your data options, so make sure you have a stable internet connection, preferably Wi-Fi, although mobile data works too. Once everything loads, you'll see a list of different data types you can download. Since we want to download all your memories, find the option that says Export Memories and turn it on. After that, tap on Request Memories. You'll now be able to choose a date range, so select the range you want, for example, last week, last month, or all time. Then tap on Submit. Once you do that, your request will be created. Snapchat will now prepare your memories, and once the export is ready, they'll send a download link to the email address linked with your Snapchat account. This can take some time, so just be patient and keep an eye on your email. And that's it. That's how you can download all your Snapchat memories at once. If this video helped you out, make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.